Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome to Desserts for the Weekend. Today is something a bit different. I'm combining between a DIY and a dessert for the weekend. This is something that you could use if you have one of those dessert tables, or you want something to make your cupcakes look, or individual desserts look cute. We're just going to get started. We need a few things. Actually, it's pretty easy to make. I'm using a plate and a glass that I got at a thrift store. It's like super affordable. Just look around the thrift stores, Walmart, places where they sell this kind of thing. But just try to not invest too much into it because we're going to be gluing it anyways. The size of the plate depends on the size of how big or how small you want your base to be. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is starting by gluing both of those objects. Make sure they are clean, both of them, because it's going to be easier for them to glue together. And going to be gluing that with my epoxy glue. If you use like something like a hot glue gun or something like that, it's going to glue, but it's going to separate like a week after or something like that. It's not going to be like super glued, and that's why I recommend you to use epoxy glue. But anyways, once that's done, I'm going to start painting it. I did use my acrylic white paint and my brush, like good old-fashioned way of painting. If you have it and if you prefer, you can always paint with one of those spray paints. It's going to paint more evenly, and you're not going to see the lines of the brush once you're painting it. I didn't have any of those. My idea of DIYs is sometimes just using what you have and not investing in anything else. Anyways, I'm just going to give that as 2 coats, and then I'm pretty much just going to be gluing this whole thing or sealing it with. Now I'm going to be using one of those spray paints, this is a glass. Go for the finish that you want. They sell matte, they sell glossy, they sell super glossy. Depends on what you want and what you're looking for. I just wanted to to make it shiny, but not like super shiny. And I forgot to mention, I went with white because I wanted something basic so I could play around with my cupcake wrappers and my backgrounds and my ribbons if I apply a ribbon. But if you want to, go ahead by any means and just use whatever design you have. And something that I think would look super cute, for instance, if you make a bunch of different mini stands, play around with different colors, play around with different heights, make them, some of them look smaller, some of them look bigger. So anyways, I just want to share this idea for this super basic way to do this kind of thing, but I hope I helped you. I had so much fun making this one. It looks super cute, and again, you can pretty much customize it as whatever you are looking for or whatever the theme of your party is. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more stuff, and share if you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys!